In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can recover deleted files in Windows 10. If you have accidentally deleted some files from your Windows 10 PC or laptop permanently, so they're completely out of your recycling bin, don't panic because normally you can recover these files as long as you haven't recently just added a load more files to your hard drive or installed any new software or games. As if you have, then it may be more hard to recover those deleted files. Before we get started, don't forget to drop this video a like if it did help you out, and also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. The first thing you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. This program is called Recuva, and it does offer a free version or a pro version. If I just scroll down quickly, you can see the features on the pro version are slightly more than the free. But the reason why I'm recommending this program is because it gives you unlimited amount of data recovery. Unlike some free recover programs, you actually only have a cap of, say, recovering 500 meg. You can recover as much as you want with this program, although it's not as powerful as some of the others. The first thing you need to do is click free download. We now need to go ahead and press download, and you now need to go save file and run the setup file. You now need to click on customize, and you can now choose which options you would like to keep selected. I'm just going to remove them all apart from the desktop shortcut and the start menu, and you now need to press install. Recuva will then begin to install, and once it's finished, you can go ahead and deselect a few release notes and go run Recuva. You will now have a window that looks like this. We now need to go ahead and press next, and you can now choose what sort of file type you would like to recover. If you accidentally deleted a load of pictures that you would like to recover, you can go ahead and select pictures. If you're unsure what file format you want to recover, you can go ahead and press all files and go next. You can now choose where you'd like to search on your PC. If you do know the exact location of where you deleted those files from, you can select in a specific location and then select the location by pressing browse. This will really help when it comes to recovering the files, because if you can provide the exact location, then it will search that area, and hopefully with a bit of luck it will then be able to find those files and let you recover them. But if you don't panic, because we can go ahead and press I'm not sure and go next. You can now choose if you'd like to do a deep scan or not. I would recommend first you search without using the deep scan option selected, as it's a lot quicker. If that then fails, go ahead and select enable deep scan and then search again. And with a bit of luck it will then find the files, as the deep scan can take a lot longer. So that's why I'm saying do a scan first without the deep scan selected. I'm going to go ahead now and press start. And as you can see, it's now scanning my whole system, as I didn't select a specific location. And then once the scan has finished, I'm going to go ahead and press cancel. Once the scan has finished, you will then end up with a window that looks like this. You have two options. You can keep it in this window mode or select switch to advanced mode. And then you will be able to see a preview if you have images on the right hand side, or a bit more info about the file. As you can see, my scan did only find the one file, but that's because I cancelled it. If you then want to recover the file, you can simply select the file and click on the checkbox and then press recover. You will then be able to choose where you'd like to recover the file to. I'm going to select my desktop and press OK, and then go yes. And as you can see, it now says the operation has been complete and it's recovered the file. If you now look on my desktop, you can see the file is there. And that is how you use Recuva. Like I said, it's a fantastic free program, but it's not as powerful as some of the other recovering programs. So if you didn't have any luck using this program, don't panic, because like I said, there are other programs out there which are a lot more powerful, but a lot of them you do have to pay for, unfortunately. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.